I'm testing this out. I'm seeing if this homemade poof helps with my noise reduction. So I don't know if it'll muffle what I'm saying right now, but let's also check for wind. We'll just let's check. Okay, so that seemed to work, but let's do it without now and see what happens. My gosh, it worked. So this thing was the little poof that was on top of the Ariana Grande perfume, and it's only got like this tiny little string at the bottom, so it doesn't go all the way around. So I took this like beat up hair elastic of mine, and it worked. I just like wrapped it around the camera on top of the mic, and it seemed to work. So I don't know if I can, let me see if I can make settings. No, I can't. Okay. I'm going to try one more thing just to see if like even this poof is necessary, and then I'll like figure life out. One moment. Okay, so my noise reduction was on auto, so now it's just on. Let's see if that does anything. I presume it will, but let's find out. Okay, so I watched it back, and it kind of helped, but not really. It wasn't as bad, but it was definitely still there. So, what have we learned? If you happen to have this poof and you don't know what to do with it, and you happen to make videos, then you can make your own little sound reduction thing. You just like, it doesn't look pretty, like it's hella ghetto, but it works, and it's great. So this is my camera. It's the Olympus TG5, and there's nowhere to like plug in. There's nowhere to plug in like an external mic or one of those things to, whatever, to sound block. So I just got crafty and made my own. So here, let me mount it for you. There we go. It's on there. So like this doesn't look very cute. It's like gross, but that's what we're working with right now. So yeah, I think it sounds better with this little thing on it. So I use a different camera to film like my beauty stuff, but this one's the one I used in all my travel stuff because it's like shockproof, waterproof, dustproof, all the proofs. So it's just more durable. So when I travel, I don't want to worry about dropping my camera and ruining it. Blah, blah, blah. So yeah, this is like my vlog camera. So I don't know. I might just like chop off the little red band like this guy and like sew on a standard elastic because this is horrendous to look at. So that's my plan. Look at, I DIY'd a sound thing. Bay's very impressed. It works.
It looks ridiculous.
It does look ridiculous, and it's really ugly with this band, but it works. So we'll see. I don't know. I'll try to like see if I can figure something else out that doesn't look nearly as crazy, but the point is it works. I'm such a MacGyver. Yeah. Wow. DIY sound muffler. You heard it here first. We're checking out the sound quality. The sound quality. Because I still have lots of people. Let's see. The sound quality. It's going to hold to me. She doesn't want to. It's not really like gross outside. Let's see. Look at my beautiful plants. It's living. It's living. This one's sprouting a new one. This one is dead. But this one right here is brand new. This is Gwendol's cat grass. The other plants have not quite made it. They're looking a little crisp. Though instead it was in here. But these were all my carrots. Look at my carrots. I don't know what this is anymore. We have this one chive. And then we have this other chive. And then we had peas. They're kind of sad. There's little baby peas. Do you see them? And there's this one, which is the same as the other ones. And like that one. That one looks okay. This one, Then I have some little guys, like these things coming in. I'm not too sure. I think those are the same as, not that's a chive, but like this guy. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I don't know. Like, it's really not that windy. There's some wind coming. I don't know. I'm hoping my little poof is gonna, like, make it work. What up, crew? I'm on a date night with myself. Bay went out to do one of his hobbies, and then I saw an event happening near me, which was to see Legally Blonde in IMAX, and I was like, yes, there's a tiny caveman. Oh no, it's a squirrel. Okay, we have really tiny squirrels here. Oh, he's gonna scamper away before I can get him. Oh, he's like in the tree. Anyways, our squirrels here are like the size of chipmunks, and they're adorable. But it's like really windy, so I can test if my little poof is working. But yeah, I'm at the Tellus World of Science. And I'm gonna go see Legally Blonde in IMAX. I'm excited. I created this look in, what's it called? Like in theme of Legally Blonde. So I like did some pink eyes and a nude lip because pink and pink is too much. Which I know in Legally Blonde it's never too much, but I thought it was, so yeah. They have dinosaurs and I have to come back, but it's so expensive. But they have one. They have a brachiosaurus. They have a brachiosaurus outside. Okay. Well, I'm gonna stop recording because there's like stuff here and I'm gonna creep. Then I'll let you know my thoughts. Oh, it stopped. I bought a romper. I can't be helped. But there's like a guy and he moves, but he's not moving anymore. Let's drive. We're back at the Marquise. Bay is not impressed. I'm filming. Caught him off guard. But yeah, it's the last day of Bay and Mai's vacation together. I've already gone back to work, but Bay goes back to work on Monday. So we figured we'd hit the Marquise. Marquise goes till October 6th, I think. Is that what I said yesterday?
Something like that.
So, there's still time. Look, you guys, there's effing seafoods. F. It's fancy. It's a thrill. But yeah, so far we've...
Yeah, you can.
Shiny things. I have to look at jewelry. Cost. I just got a bougie brace. Are you intrigued by bread? They're always sold out. Yeah, she's kind of funny. They're creeping bread. But so far we've gotten lots of good foods. And I got a bougie bracelet. And that's where we're at. We're going against the flow of traffic. That's just who we are today. And we're considering some bougie bread. That's what's happening.
Sourdough.
Hello. What are you thinking? No? Not right now? So we're out for dinner. I was editing a video that I'm gonna post soon. It's like mildly controversial, so I'm a little nervous about it, but we're just like having dinner and then like this bridal party walks in and I'm confused. I think the photographers are leaving. I really don't know what's happening. I'm not going to show them because I don't know if they want to be on the internet, but they just like walked in. It was like 2 bridesmaids, 2 groomsmen, the bride and the groom. It wasn't like a rehearsal, like she was fully done up. And we were like, are they just taking pictures? Because apparently they got situated in the back, and it was like where they first met. But the table wasn't reserved. So I'm like, did they call ahead or did they just show up? And then I thought they were just taking pictures because photographers came in. And from my humblest of opinion, it was kind of awkward. They were just like point and shoot really quick, and I was like, this does not look super professional. But that's fine. I'm not a professional photographer, so I can't really say anything. I just did. But anyways, yeah. So we're like, are they eating? Like, did they just do a quick marriage? Like, they look done up enough that it looks like a real. Like, not that other marriages aren't real, but like the whole 9 yards. You know what I mean? But then it's, I don't know if they're grabbing like a quick bite or. You're okay for those? But yeah, so I don't know if they're grabbing like this drink and then they're moving on to like their ceremony, right? What's the party called? There's like the actual thing and then there's like the other part. I'm very well versed in weddings.
The reception.
Yes, thank you. The reception. So I don't know if they're just doing a break or like this is the reception and other people are coming. I don't know. I'm confused. But like, it was neat to see. I've never witnessed people just being like, I'm gonna go eat here. Like, in my wedding dress. All that jazz. So, more power to them. That was festive. What a thrill. Wow. That's my thoughts. You know? You're distracted with my looking at the viewfinder.
What?
Are you like watching me?
Yeah.
Watch
Because
you.
over
Watch
there
me.
it looks like you're just like looking off into the distance, but you're looking at me. It's so weird.
It's a lovely triangle of me looking at Bay, looking at me, looking at him.
In the distance.
In the distance. It's very thrilling. So yeah, so that's what we're up to after this. I don't know what we're gonna do. I might edit a little bit more and then like watch a movie. Do you want to watch a movie?
Maybe? Yeah.
Watch a movie on the Netflix. Love to creep what's new and exciting on Netflix. I got a little keychain today. Look it. Amongst all my others. Isn't he cute? I have a weird fascination with skulls. I think they're adorable. I do. Like, he just looks so hippie. He's like, yay! Like, sugar skulls. Like, other, like, deathly skulls. They freak me out. But these little sugar skulls, like, they just look nice. I like them. Anyways, that's where we're at. We did the market this morning. I filmed a little bit, and then I meant to film more, and I just didn't. And then we went to Costco. That was a thrill. And then now we're here. So, yeah, living out our lives. That's it.